How to lock autofocus and exposure in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then launch the camera app. Next, to lock in your autofocus and exposure, touch and hold on the subject to focus, and then you can see it here. When you touch and hold onto that, the autofocus will go to yellow with a lock right there. So it shows a lock. That means it is now locking. So you can see if I move closer to the subject, it will be blurred. If I move further away from the subject, it will be blurred. Here I will focus on the subject and I will lock my focus in. It is now locking. If I move further away, the subject will become blurry. So I have locked in my focus at this distance. Here I can also lock in my autofocus. Touch and hold, and you can see the yellow lock. So that is now locking. The camera will not attempt to automatically adjust my exposure. And that's it. After you can tap on the shutter button to take the picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.